So, new guy, what do you do?
Make runaways exciting and I play pranks.
How so?
There's a goods train heading towards Braxton Station being pulled by an aggressive purple grape and a crouching blueberry. Wanna join?
I guess I could help.
Yay!
Let's just get this job over with.
You and I both.
Stupid trucks. I wish I was pulling coaches.
You're always grumpy, aren't you?
What did you say?
Nothing.
And you will continue to say nothing until I tell you that you can say something.
All right. What are we waiting for?
Stop slacking off and get going or I'm telling Mr. Turner.
All right, we're moving.
I know what you're thinking. Don't you dare.
You can't tell me what to do.
I'm not getting involved.
Hurry up! Put some effort, you lazy slacker! I haven't got all day!
Excuse me? I'm putting every ounce I have in this blasted train.
Watch this. Hold back! Hold back!
I like your thinking, rookie.
Hold back! Hold back!
Back.
Come on, you stupid trucks. Let go of your stupid brakes.
What's the holdup, lazy slackers?
Hey, stop that right now.
As you wish.
Finally! That took forever.
I'd like to see Stratford see us now.
No, Jake! On! Faster! Faster! Faster!
Come on, let's throw them off the rails.
Make their lives a living nightmare!
Are you kidding me?
Oh dear!
Meanwhile,
Where are those two? They should have been here by now. Oh, bless me! Don't worry, I'm coming!
Whee!
This is fun.
No, stop! Stop!
Worsdell! Lizzie!
Maker! I told you not to do anything.
Well, that's just childish.
Oh, goodness. Oh, dear.
Worsdell! Lizzie! Are you two okay?
Ow.
Oh my goodness. I knew we should have forfeited and stayed in the sheds instead of collecting that stupid train.
No kidding! Are you serious? You incompetent slackers make me so angry! Is that what you want?
I did absolutely nothing.
Exactly. It was all Ralph and Jake. Don't pin the blame on us.
I wasn't even directing it at both of you.
It came off that way, mate. Also, you may want to control your anger issues.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry that I didn't rescue you in time.
Whatever. Why do I have to be on goods work anyway? I'm not useful if...
Worsdell, that's enough, alright? Goods or passengers, it doesn't matter what makes us useful.
I don't care at this point.
What happened here?
Sir, this wasn't our fault, we swear.
Well, at least Dinkleberg's car is destroyed, so thanks, Worsdell and Lizzie.
Sure, I guess.
I don't get it. Did we accomplish something?
I got to say, Ralph, I'm impressed. Welcome to the team.
Yay! I get a thing!
I'm going to get the breakdown train now.
And now, here are the bloopers. Exactly, it was all boom. Exactly, it was all Ralph and Jake. Don't put the blame on us. Okay, no. Exactly, it was all Ralph and Jake. Don't put the blame on us. Yeah. Exactly, it was all Ralph and Jake. Don't put the blame on. Come on. It came off that way, mate. Also, you might wanna. Come on. It came off that way, mate. Also, you might wanna. It's May, not right. Come on. May came up. It came off that way, mate. Also, you may want to try to control your issue.
It's always the last line of the day.
It came off that way, mate. Also, you may want to try to.
Come on!
It came off that way, mate. Also, you may want to try to. Come on, Dad.
I'm going to get the brake train. Brake train, what the